Hello guys and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how to use Asana for project management. It's going to be a really simple process. I'm going to explain how to actually do this. So, on your first setting up process, so it's going to be asking you what's something you and your team are currently working on. So, you're just going to set it all up here. What is your motive? What is your basically agenda you and your team? So like for example, plan sample project management, for example only. Okay, so you can have your agenda here. As you can see, it's also based off of AI. You just click here once you're done, right? I misspelled it a little bit. So right, so in here I've adjusted it into key pointers like this. So what are the few tasks that you have to do for plan sample project management? So let's just put it here. Just list out whatever plans it is you have in mind, like project output, scheduling output, and what else? Let's put time. Time. All right, let's just put timeline example. So if you have a timeline contacts, you basically do it. So to-do lists in here. So how would you group these tasks into section or stages? So let's say for example you have your team processing out a project. So let's put this as an indicator: processing, on hold, or canceled. And this is the reason why this is so useful for basically projects. Just look at this, look at the variety here. So it adjusts the dynamics and the layout depending on which type of basically template you choose. Basically for timeline, calendar, let's choose calendar here. See, as you can see, click on continue. It basically adjusts on whichever template it is that you choose. So in here are the email addresses of your teammates. You can basically put them here. So this is just for an example. Again, don't have really teammates, so just put an email there. And again, this is a 30-day trial. I've started this account fresh off the bat here, just for you guys to get a feel what a fresh account looks like. So you could add a link and you can basically add a task here. So let's say for example you are a fitness instructor and you have a team to basically work on, a team of coaches. So let's set training lats day, training delta day. You could basically add in rest days as well, so it's basically up to you. And you could add tasks as well. Okay, so training, what else do we want to train here? Triceps, right? And Thursday to Friday is basically your rest day. And yeah, this is basically it. You could be creative with this one. And in here you could see the specs on training last day. You could add in a few notes here on a comment section, so your teammates could basically see which basically how much is it important that you should hit this muscle group in a week. Like medium, it's not really priority. Like say for example, if you have a mismatch in your muscle basically proportions, and your coach is basically you're basically telling your client to work on extra on lats day. So you should basically put medium, or just basically high if it's a priority to work on. You could add in emojis as well, just to get a feel, just to add in a little bit of a light touch to your instructions. So this is where you do a commentary, and in here you get basically message and portfolio, task goals. Since we're doing task here, so here's the task name. You put in the task name here, sample task, and on the sample task underneath it, could basically, so again, we're sending this to a particular client or a coach, like the look at the name here for. Okay, so put your projects here, and yeah, this is basically it. Create a link, and that's it. Save. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and that's how quick and easy it is. You guys have a nice day.